Hey everyone, I appreciate you stopping in today. I have a Beachly beauty box. This is the second box. I think this is the fall box if I'm not mistaken. This is $29 plus tax and shipping. I don't know what it works out to be, 30 some dollars, 31 or $32, something like that. This is a box filled with beach inspired, cruelty free, clean beauty products, 4 to 6 beach inspired for skin, hair, or body. You could get lip balms, fragrances, cleansers, moisturizers, nail polish, hair masks, things of that. And I did get the summer, right? The summer box? Yeah, the summer box. And it was okay. This is a quarterly box for the $29. It was an okay box. It was, what was that? Something just went. It was an okay box. So I figured, well, to really get an idea, I got the fall box. I was wondering, am I getting the fall box? I mean, you know, we're not. So this is what I see right here. It says Aloha Beautiful. You get a card and some products. The card, and it gives you the products and pricing. And it looks like we have 1, 2, 3, 4 products for $30 for a quarter. I mean, a little pricey, but it's okay, I guess. What are we? Right here, and this is from Zilly. This is a conditioning hair spritz, $18 with argan and hemp oil. Okay, formulated for surfers and beach lovers. This conditioning hair spritz by Zilly will leave your hair feeling smooth, hydrated, and detangled all fall long. Not to mention, it also has UV and heat protectant perks. Okay. Simply spritz directly into your towel-dried hair, then brush through to smell like a tropical vacation with the added benefits. Okay. Let's see. I could smell a little bit of, I don't want to spray, a little bit of coconut. I'm happy to have that. I love conditioning hair spritz. Why not? Towel dried hair, but I like that has UV and heat protectant because I always use heat protectant and a leave-in conditioner. So if we got a little bit of both there, not bad. Looks like we have this tiny, and this should not be in a box with full-size products. I'm sorry. Yeah. 4 to 6. Now it doesn't say full size, but that's not full size. They could have given us full size. This is from Carter and Jane, and this is Beach House Roll-On Fragrance, $28. I would never spend $28 for that. Get ready to be transported back to sweet memories of summertime with Carter and Jane's signature Beach House scent. Made only with certified organic and vegan ingredients, this roll-on fragrance will be your go-to refresher all fall long. Notes of coconut, lemongrass, vanilla. Will leave you like you're still at the beach with that smell. Let me just see. This is so tiny. As you can see. I hope we need to shake that. Let me see if we can. That smells good, and it definitely is a roll. Let me put a little bit here, just prime it and see. This actually smells very good. I don't know if I would get, I can do more the lemongrass than I do coconut or vanilla. Maybe I didn't shake it enough. I don't know if I would consider that like summer. Yeah, it's okay. I mean, could they given us a bigger bottle for the price? Yeah, I think so. I mean, it's not bad, but I smell more the lemon and the lemongrass. I don't smell the vanilla or the coconut at all. Okay. Next, we have this box here, and this is Earth Harbor Citrine C Purifying Exfoliation Potion, $20. Did I say that roll-on was $28? That's ridiculous. All right, let's see what this looks like. I like Earth Harbor, and I think that was, I cannot get that. That was like a woman-owned business, which I didn't know. I think that's, I opened something else and it said that, and I was surprised. I'm glad. Oh, and this is nice right here. You can see what it looks like a little bit. We'll open this up and see. It should have a, it just has one of these little, oh, that's not, and I can smell, there's got to be lemon in there. It's an exfoliant, so I don't want to take the top off. You can see on the side here, like all the little crystals and to exfoliate. And let me read about that. Let me see. Get back in the box there. Bring warmth, purification, and balance back to your skin with this triple action exfoliator from our friends at Earth Harbor. It's perfect for smoothing, cleansing, and calming your skin. Yeah, scoop a small amount out onto your fingertips, gently massage. Okay, I'm happy to have that. I don't have that from Earth Harbor. I have a whole bunch of other stuff, but not that. And then it looks like we could have got one or the other from this brand. And I don't know how to say that. If that's just O/O. I don't know. Hawaii. And I have Golden Nectar Brightening Serum, $65. Ready to glow like you just stepped off an island vacation. This ultimate triple boosting serum is your one-way ticket to bright glowing skin all season long. Formulated for all skin types. That's wonderful. This serum will brighten your complexion while also reducing sunspots. Apply daily or as needed to face and neck after cleansing to see truly golden results. And the other item that you could have gotten if you didn't get this is Bird Bath Antioxidant Cleansing Balm, and that was $48. And that's at the top there. Glad I got this one. And let's open this up and see what you look like. Let's put these out. Never heard of this brand. It was taped. Let's see. Oh, it's a nice bottle. Looks like wood, but it's not. That's cute. Golden Nectar. Let's see. Oh, we're a pump. I like that. All right, let's. Does it turn? Yeah, you might have to turn it to unlock it, prime it, and get some out. So it's like a yellowy color. Oh, that feels nice. I like that. I mean, that little pump is way more for my hand than I need. But let's just move it all up everywhere. And that smells nice. Okay, let's get some of that off my fingers there. Let's wipe it down there. That's nice. Happy to have that. Get my shirt out of the way. And that's just drying down nicely. I have it on my hand. My hand feels nice. I mean, it's completely dry. Smells nice. I'm not unhappy with that. A brightening serum, $65. And then Earth Harbor is $20. Another $18 for the conditioning spray, and then $28 for the roll-on. I mean, not a bad value for what you pay. And this is Beachly.com. So the Beachly Beauty Box. Aloha Beautiful is this theme. Here's that extra dose of vitamin C, SEA, and sunshine you've been waiting for. You deserve to glow. That says that on the inside. Cute boxes, you know, pineapples everywhere. I mean, really cute box. Palm tree. This is completely dried down. I like that. I mean, I don't know if you probably can't see the difference in the hands. This does not have it right here. A little bit, seems a little bit more hydrated. It definitely feels nicer. I mean, this still is smooth, but it looks dry. Where this one is smoother and does not look dry. It looks hydrated. I don't know. It said it was supposed to leave a glow. A brightening serum. I don't necessarily know if it's brighter. I guess it is just because it's more hydrated and a little bit of a sheen to it. So that might be the brighter action. Not bad. Is it the best box I ever received? No. I mean, I don't know. I mean, it is a quarterly box and I love quarterly boxes. I don't know if I should keep on getting this one. Like I said, it's $30 quarterly. It's not the end of the world. Some decent products. I mean, Earth Harbor is phenomenal. I love their products. And I'm excited for this. You know, and this is also something I use and I'm happy to have. This I could do without. Honestly, it's too small. And it's all I smell is lemon. I don't smell. And coconut, lemongrass is strong, but I would think coconut and vanilla would overtake that. I don't smell them, either of them at all. So, and it doesn't remind me of the beach, summer, anything. Just a little bit of lemon. I mean, if I smelled the coconut, yeah, that would remind me of the beach, tropical, and all that kind of stuff, but not lemon. Nah. I'm not angry at it. Like I said, is it my favorite? No. The first one wasn't my favorite either. It was okay. But I'm not, you know, unhappy with it. I wish we received more than 4. It says 4 to 6. I wish we got more products for the $30. And they need to not do this, because I'm going to look this up and see if this is full size. They might have a larger one. This is 5 ml, 0.17. I doubt it. They should at least give us full size products for the money. And it's a quarterly box, especially if we're only getting 4 products. I would love to know your thoughts. I hope you have a wonderful day. And I'll see you all in tomorrow's video. Bye-bye now.